I decided I wanted to do some upgrades to the lighting in my RV. This is a new reading light. The lights above my bed are directional reading lights, and that's all they do is provide light for reading, because the fixture is fully enclosed and they've got a little spot lamp style bulb or LED that shines directly out the end. At the head of the bed there isn't a whole lot of other lighting because the other lights in the bedroom area are towards the foot of the bed. So I wanted to get something similar to my last RV, which also had reading lights. It was the same basic arrangement in the bedroom, but my last RV had reading lights that were a glass style globe. So if you use a normal style lamp like an 1141 or an LED that has LED modules all the way around the perimeter, it provides light out of the globe. Since I don't really do any reading in bed, I don't care that the light is coming out of the sides or providing ambient lighting through the rest of the bedroom. In fact, that's exactly what I want, is some better ambient lighting up towards the head of the bed. So this is this is a nickel finish, nice glass globe, and then we do have a replaceable lamp. First thing I'll do is convert that to LED, but 2-inch spacing between the mounting holes, which is the same as what my original lights have. So this will work out really nice. It's got a little push button switch here, and it does tilt, and it also swivels. It pretty much only tilts out and then down. It doesn't really seem to want to tilt the other way a whole lot. Well, I guess it does if you force it. So we'll go ahead and get those installed, and I'll show you how they light up the area much better than the other lights do. This is looking towards the head of the bed from the foot of the bed, and I've got 2 overhead lights, one there, another one over there. That one's turned on, and then a little reading light up there on the right side, and then another one over here on the left. The one on the left is turned on, the one on the right is turned off. They are a really nice fixture. They're also a nickel finish. And you can see the LED spotlight right there in the end. And this is with both reading lights turned on and the 2 overhead lights turned off. Here's a comparison of the old light to the new light. As you can tell, they're nearly identical in size. This is a really nice light, but it doesn't give you any ambient lighting because it's fully enclosed fixture. And then also, I didn't know this until I took this light out, but this lamp is not replaceable. It's actually an integral part of the fixture. Unlike your typical bayonet style base that you just push it in to turn to pull out, this one does not come out. It's completely in a fixed position in there. But this lamp, I've got an LED that I'll install, so that way this won't operate at a really high temperature like it would if I had an incandescent lamp in there. With both new lights installed in the bedroom, the lighting is drastically improved. It looks so much better. Check out the links in the description down below for a light that's pretty similar to what I used. Plus I've got some links to some other lights that have a little push button switch and are an LED directional reading light, but then some of those also have a little USB charging port built in.